Good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, in our last class, we have discussed about the concept of delegation. We saw that delegation is transferring of authorities from superior to subordinate. Now let us discuss what are the importance of delegation and a new topic, that is decentralization. Children, we are back with our chapter 5, organizing. We have already discussed the concept delegation. We know that delegation refers to transfer of authority from superior to subordinate. Today we will discuss the importance of delegation and the concept of decentralization. There are 6 points of importance of delegation. The first point is effective management. Second point is motivation of employees. Third point is employee development. Fourth point is facilitation of growth. Fifth point is better coordination. And sixth point is creation of management hierarchy. Now let us discuss each of these points in detail. The first point is effective management. We know that in the process delegation, the manager, he transfers his routine work to his subordinates. By doing so, the manager gets more time to concentrate on more key or core matters. This would increase his or her effectiveness. So, we can say that delegation leads to effective management. The second point is motivation of employee. Delegation implies grant of authority to subordinates. So here the subordinates getting some power which is delegated by his superior. So they have a sense of recognition. They feel encouraged and are motivated to work higher performance. So as they are delegated the work by the manager, so it give a feeling of encouragement for them. Thus they show higher performance in their work. The third point is employee development. Delegation empowers the employee by providing them with the chance to use their skills, gain experience and develop themselves for higher position. So the employee who is doing some part of the manager's work, he is gaining some experience in that work. So thus he is preparing himself for a higher position. The next fourth point of importance of delegation is facilitation of growth. Delegation helps in expansion of an organization by providing trained and experienced people a ready workforce to take up leading position in new venture. As the manager is delegating his work to his subordinates, those subordinates are equally getting experience with the type of work which was done by the managers. So whenever a company expands or its startup is new venture or it expands its branches, so it is actually making ready some of its workforce who can lead that new venture. Okay, so it is helpful for the firm which is growing. Fifth point is better coordination. The element of delegation, we have studied that there are 3 elements of delegation. Which are they? Authority, responsibility and accountability, which helps to define power, duties and answerability related to various positions in an organization. So we can say that there is a coordination among the people and the work. Clarity in reporting relationships help in developing and maintaining effective coordination amongst various department levels and functions of management, because through delegating the power to the subordinates, automatically we are transferring the elements of, we are creating elements of delegation too. That is authority, responsibility and accountability. So through these three elements, we are defining the powers and duties and answerability which have to be fulfilled by them, keeping in mind the position of those people in the organization. So there is a clarity in reporting. So thus we can say that through that clarity there is effective coordination among the departments, levels and functions of management. The sixth point is creation of management hierarchy. So we can say that delegation of authority establishes superior subordinate relationship, because we know that higher authority person, he is delegating his authority to his subordinates. So whenever there is superior subordinate relationship, there comes delegation also. So delegation of authority establishes superior subordinate relationships which creates hierarchy of management. The extent of delegated authority decides the power that each job position enjoys in the organization. So how much extent of authority is delegated to him, that is the power of his job position which he enjoys in that organization.